Now, if you haven't made money using AI tools since the AI blew up, then this video is definitely for you, because there's a lot of people out there that are making an insane amount of money, and that includes me. All we do is create AI influencer characters like the one that you're seeing on your screen, and then we use it to make money. Now, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you exactly how you can create characters like this and use it to make money for yourself. Just in case you haven't made money or you're looking to make money from the comfort of your home, then this video is definitely for you. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. Now, the tool that we're going to be using to create our UGC video is intsmind.com. So we're going to come over to our browser and visit intsmind.com. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description so that you can get to it easily. And once it opens, you're going to come over here and you're going to click on get started for free. Yes, you can get started for free. Now, there's so many things you can use this for. I am so excited about this tool. When I found out about this tool, it was mind-blowing because the things that this tool can do is very shocking. Now, all we're going to do next is we're going to come over here and click on login or sign up. So if you don't have an account, you just go ahead and sign up with your Gmail account and you're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my Gmail account. So now I've successfully signed in and you're going to see this page now. Now there are so many things that you can use this tool for. Now you can see a lot of templates here, FYP dances, the dance that you see on TikTok, and couple vibes that you see on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. All these videos go viral, like insanely viral. So you can come here and use any of these things. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to break each of them one after the other and give you ideas on what you can use it for and how you can use it to make money from the comfort of your home. So let me know in the comment section if you want me to do that tutorial. But for today, we're going to be looking at the UGC part. And to do that, the first thing we want to do is to come over to AI image, because with this tool, you can generate your image, you can generate videos, you can do a whole lot of things. So now the first thing we need to do is to generate the image that we're going to be using for our video. And the good thing is that this tool would generate the images for you and generate the video for you. So you don't need to go over to another AI tool and then go there and then come back again. You don't need all of that. You can generate everything in high quality, high definition here. So to do that, all you have to do is to come over here and put in your prompt. And if you're new to this channel, I usually have a prompt library where I put all the prompts that I use in a particular video, and at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you exactly where you can get the prompt so that you can easily practice the things that I taught in the video. So to do that, we're going to hop over to the prompt library, which is this one, and we're going to copy the first prompt, which is this first one. And we're going to, let me go ahead and put it number 1 so that you can easily tell which one is which. So I'm going to number this number 2, and I'm going to put this number 3, okay? So we're going to be using 3 prompts. Now that I've copied the first prompt, I'm going to come over to intsmind, and I'm going to go ahead and paste in the prompt like so. Make sure that you have image generation selected. And then the next thing we want to do is to select the tool that we want to use to generate the image. There is Fusion, there is Nano Banana, there is Seed Dream, there is Queen, there is Nano Banana Pro, there is GPT Image, and so on. Now, all of them are amazing, but the one that I would recommend to you is Nano Banana 2 because it's the latest Google image generating platform, image generating tool. It generates the highest quality that I've ever seen. So go ahead and select Nano Banana 2, or you can use any model that you like, but I strongly recommend Nano Banana 2. And then here, you're going to select the aspect ratio. This is where you're going to select the aspect ratio for the image that you want to generate. So depending on the type of video that you're working on, if it's a portrait video, like if it's for Instagram Reels, Facebook video, TikTok video, YouTube Shorts, then you're going to go with 9:16. This is the one that you're going to go for. But if it's landscape, that is this type of video that you're seeing on your screen right now, for YouTube, then you're going to go for 16:9. And because I'm a YouTube person, I'm going to go with 16:9. So now that I've selected that, all I need to do now is to go ahead and send it and let this tool go ahead and do its magic for us. And now you can see that it has generated our image for us. Now the mind-blowing part is how crisp, clear, and the quality of this image. This tool is incredible. Now if you're running an AI-powered Facebook account or TikTok account or Instagram account or even YouTube account, YouTube Shorts, and you're looking to generate quality pictures without watermark and everything, then this tool is for you. And let me show you why. Now if I come right here and I zoom into this picture, you can see how crisp and clear this image is. Come on now, how cool is this? And the next thing you want to do now that we have selected this is come right here and click on this image, and then you're going to see the download button here. And the next thing we want to do is to click on download. Now you can go ahead and download it here, but if you want to enhance it in any way, all you have to do is simply click on enhance, and it's going to even further increase the quality, increase the size, just in case you want to put it on a billboard or anywhere. Then you can go ahead and use AI enhance to enhance the image, and it's going to come out crisp and clear. So now that we have this, we're going to go ahead and click on download to download the image to our device. So here, make sure you select either JPEG or PNG, but for high quality, I'm going to go ahead and select PNG, and you leave everything as original. So you're going to leave it at original, and then you're going to click on download, and it's going to go ahead and download the image to your device. Now you can do this with your mobile phone, or you can do it with your computer. So now that we have saved it to our device, let me walk you through the stage 2. That is the second thing that you need to do after generating the image. And to do that, all you have to do is to come over to prompt library. Now this is very easy to do, and the concept here is we're trying to bring the product, that's the product image, the product that the brand gave you, that they want to advertise, they want to promote. You're going to bring the product, and then you're going to use the AI to make the model hold the product. That is, you're going to make the model that you want to advertise the product to hold the product. So this particular prompt here is what is going to do that. So we're going to bring the image that we just generated and bring the image of the product, and we're going to merge the two of them together. I'm sure you can't wait to see the magic. So now I'm just going to go ahead and copy this prompt like so, and I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to go ahead and click on this plus icon. I'm going to click on the plus icon, and I'm going to go ahead and select the image that we just generated. That's this image. And then the next thing I want to do is to also upload the image of my product. And so I'm going to go ahead and select my product image, and I'm going to click on OK. And now it's ready. So now, like we did before, you're going to select the engine that you want to use to generate the image. And remember, I said you're going to select Nano Banana 2. So we'll leave it at Nano Banana 2. And for this one, we're going to move it from original. We're going to come to 16:9. That is landscape mode, okay? We're going to select 16:9, and we're going to paste in that prompt that we copied from our prompt library, okay? We're going to paste in the prompt like so. And we're going to go ahead and send it, and let this AI tool do an amazing job for us. And now you can see that it has generated the image for us. So let's go ahead and zoom in and see how it looks. Come on now, how cool is this? So this is incredible. You can see how sharp and crisp the image is. So you can see the product, of course, 7-figure boss facial cream. Okay, so this is like a mock-up product that I wanted to use for this video to show you how amazing this is. So now that I have this, you can see how incredible this thing looks. You can make any changes if you wanted to be in a different place, if you wanted to be in a different room, if you wanted, anyhow you want it to be, you can just direct it and make sure that you get that right. And then you can go ahead and save the image. So now that we got that perfectly okay, the next thing we want to do is we're going to select the image that we want to use for the video, which is this one, with the model holding the product. And we're going to go ahead and click on download to download the image to our device. And again, we're going to go ahead and select PNG. Okay, so make sure you select original, leave it here, and then the next thing you want to do is to click on download to download it straight to your device. So now that we have it saved to our device, we're going to move to the final stage, which is generating the video itself. And this is where it gets interesting. And to do that, all we have to do is to first come over to our prompt library, and we're going to copy the third prompt like so. Don't worry, I'm going to provide the prompt for you after this tutorial at the end of the video, so please stick around. And by the way, if you haven't liked this video yet, please go ahead and smash the like button, because it's good information to the algorithm and also an indication for me to know that you like the content and you want me to make more content like this. So go ahead and smash the like button. It's not going to cost you anything. So now that I have this copied like so, I'm going to come back to intsmind.com and I'm going to come over to video generation. Okay, so you have the agent mode. I'm going to be talking about agent mode much later in another video. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do that, and I will do that right for you. So now you're going to come over to video generation, and here you're going to select. There's so many options to select from. There is 1 2.2, there's clean 3.0. there is so many options to choose from here, but because we want voiceover, we want lip sync, we want all of that, we're going to go ahead and select 3.1, because if you're trying to use sit dance is mainly for, videos that dance, all those viral videos and all of that. But if you're trying to make a real UGC video, please go ahead and use VO 3.1, not VO 3.1 fast, VO 3.1. And here we're going to go ahead and select 16:9 like so. And here for resolution, now the 16:9 is because I'm making a landscape kind of video. If you want to make portrait video, you go ahead and select 9:16. And then for resolution, you're going to go ahead and select either 720 or 1080p. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and select 1080p. And for duration, we're going to leave it at 8 seconds, because then that is the maximum we can get from any of this tool that will actually make sense. So now that we have that, we're going to paste in the prompt that we copied like so. So now we have the prompt, and the next thing we're going to do is to upload the image that we downloaded. That is the image of the model with the product. So we're going to go ahead and upload it like so. So now that I have the image uploaded, the next thing I want to do is to go ahead and click on send and have this AI tool generate our video for us. Now, how cool is this?